So the last thing for us to actually add to this model would be the computer cable. And for this, I can go to the right side and I'm going to create a cable layer, maybe show my grid, and then I'm going to curve and select the CV curve tool, press Alt key, and somewhere inside press 3 times so I have a nice straight line. Fourth one, so it still continues being straight when it comes out of the joystick body. And then I go into top view and maybe kind of start sketching a small swiggle curve. Kind of like this. And maybe, let's see if I have to adjust some. This part, for example, could be maybe moved to there. This one maybe moved to here. This point could maybe go out a little bit more. I would like the cable to be more straight when it comes out, which means those points maybe should go over a little bit to there. Okay, so that's pretty good. Also, as a heads up, that's a really nice feature of Alias. You notice that I started sketching the curve along the grid on this level, and then I switched into the top view, continued drawing my curve, and Alias remained that, yeah, kind of like construction height or plane. So it did not move, for example, those points down onto the ground plane. With that done, now I would like to create the surface for the pipe, and Alias has a dedicated surface tool for that called Tube Surface, and you can double click it. It creates then, when you click on the curve, a small blue ring. So let's go into this view, and that is your radius. So then you can, for example, scale it down. Now it's inside the model, that's tough to see, so we are going to turn off the shaded view, and that is way too big for a cable. Maybe something like this could work. And when you're satisfied, let's say click build, and then let's turn on the shaded view and turn off the wireframe. Well, maybe that cable's a little bit too thick. So let's change that, and again, as a fresh up, to change things you can go to Query, Edit, select an object, and then it reopens the command that generated that object, here in this case the tube surface, and maybe let's type in 3 and then click update, and I feel more comfortable with that size. Okay, that's the way how you model a very basic joystick.